Hey guys, Romain here, and very recently I made a teaser video about two products that were coming home, and here they are. We've got two brand new products from Predator and Acer. They are the first 3D gaming product that we got. That's the Helios 300 SpatialLabs, and that's the SpatialLabs View. But let's not talk too much, let's open them. Oh, there it is. Look at the detail here, I love that. All right. Here it is, got the Predator logo, looks good, and the computer. Oh wow, definitely something very unique. As I say, it's not every computer. It's super powerful. It's got the latest 12th generation i9 core from Intel. It's got the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080, and it's got the SpatialLabs technology, which is a stereoscopic 3D display with an eye tracking device that allows us to play video game in 3D. And that's the most exciting part about it. But now I'm gonna open the second box. So here we go, that's the SpatialLabs View. That's the 3D screen that you can plug to any computer that you want and play in 3D. That screen is coming in an Acer box. There we go. We've got an HDMI cable, we've got a USB-A to USB-C cable. We need to plug both of those into the screen. There's the screen, and obviously power, and then plug them to your computer, and you end up with a 3D screen, so we can actually play video game in 3D without having big googles and looking like going in space. So yeah, those two products we got: Helios 300 SpatialLabs Edition. We've got the SpatialLabs View 3D display. So now we're just gonna go plug them in, press the start button, go play. That's what they're for. As always, please stay tuned on our channel, Predator on mine, and I'll tell you more and everything about it.